Hi friends, welcome to our channel. Okay, after long back we are doing a video and the topic was electrolysis of water. Okay, we know about electrical conductivity and electroplating, but electrolysis of water is different from these. It is related to these two topics, means it is helpful to electrical conductivity and both electroplating. Electroplating is done by the process of electrolysis, means not the process of electrolysis. Electrolysis of water is helpful to the electroplating, and this is also helpful to the electric conductivity. Means the electroplating and electrolysis of water, both the topics will come under the electrical conductivity. Okay. So electrolysis is the one of the type of electrical conductivity in liquids. Okay, the electrolysis of water is done in the liquid of any water. Okay. So what is meant by electrolysis of water? So electrolysis of water is the process of decomposing both hydrogen and oxygen to the water. Okay. Okay. Take some amount of water. In the water we know hydrogen and oxygen both will present. But if we take some amount of water, we cannot identify that this part of the amount is hydrogen and this part is the oxygen. Means water may not conduct electricity. If we pour some salt, it will conduct electricity, but we cannot identify the hydrogen and oxygen. Okay. By the process of this electrolysis of water, by processing the electricity, by keeping the electricity, by passing the electricity to the water, the hydrogen and oxygen breaks, and we will identify very clearly that this is hydrogen and this is oxygen. Okay, by identifying these both, so we are doing an activity. The activity is electrolysis of water, identifying electrolysis of water in our own way. Okay, now let us start our activity. For this activity, we will take one bowl, some amount of salt, one 9V battery, and two pencils, means graphite pencils or pencils, any pencils, but these two pencils has been sharpened at the both ends. Make sure that these pencils are sharpened at the both ends. Okay, now pour some water. Pour some water on the bowl and pour some salt. Keep some salt. Okay, shake it well and take two graphite pencils. Make sure it has been sharpened at the both ends. Okay, now place these two graphite pencils into the bowl and also make sure it has been attached at the bottom of the bowl. It hasn't been attached. Up will attach, means no problem, but down it will not be attached together. Okay, now take 9V battery, which is containing positive terminal and negative terminal, which is also called anode, which is positive terminal, and cathode, which is negative terminal. Okay, now attach the connecting wires. See, the bubbles are coming very clearly. Okay, so the bubbles are coming very fastly at the negative terminal, which is hydrogen, and one is coming slowly, that is oxygen. Okay, we will very clearly so identifying. See, once again I am repeating, the bubbles which are coming at the negative terminal cathode graphite pencil is hydrogen, and the bubbles are coming very slowly at the positive terminal anode graphite pencil, which is oxygen. See, so when we pour some salt, the water may collect electricity, and by the attracting of electricity passing through the 9V battery, so hydrogen and oxygen attracts and breaks like this. Okay, See, these are clearly observing. Okay. Okay friends, this is our today's activity, electrolysis of water. I think that is clearly visible to you. Okay, this is electrolysis of water activity. So it's like the hydrogen and oxygen will decompose and breaks. Okay, by conducting all of electricity, electrolysis of water is mainly using in the liquids. Okay friends, I think this is very understandable for you. If you have any doubts, keep in the comment section. I will definitely answer. And if you like this video, press like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.